All right, this is round number 3. Joe, NT Baseball. Good luck, good luck. It's like third time's the charm here. Oh, that's a nice piece on top. You're gonna like this. This is cool. Number 2 of 5. Majestic Tag, Eric Hosmer. The World Series champion, Kansas City Royals. Very nice. To 99. Harvey Kuhn. Bat piece. To 99. Bat piece. Mr. Mel Ott. To 25. Silhouette. Rookie. Jake Lamb. 17 of 25. That's a nice piece. Rookie. 3-color. Addison Russell. 13 of 99. Leather and Lumber. Cubbies. Mr. Fergie Jenkins. 23 of 49. Timeline Material Signatures. 12 of 25. Jock Peterson. He kind of got crazy with that autograph there. Went all over the sticker. Colossal. Look at that. Jock Peterson. To 99. That one's on card. And we will finish up with 3 of 25. I swear this guy's in every case. That's a nice looking patch though. Freddie Freeman. Jumbo. Freddie Freeman. Alright, that'll do it for round number 3. Let me know if you'd like to finish up the case, buddy.